Shopping for clothes can be overwhelming, especially if you don't know what you're looking for. But with a few tips and tricks, you can become a pro at clothes shopping and find the perfect clothes for your style and budget. In this video, we'll show you how to master the art of clothes shopping. The first step in mastering the art of clothes shopping is to know your measurements. Take the time to measure your chest, waist, and hips, and keep those measurements handy when you go shopping. This will make it easier to find clothes that fit you well. Next, pay attention to fit. Clothes that fit well will look better and be more comfortable to wear. Look for clothes that fit your body type and complement your features. Don't be afraid to try on different sizes and styles to find the right fit for you. Another important factor to consider when clothes shopping is the quality of the fabric. Look for clothes made from high-quality materials that will last longer and look better. Avoid clothes that are made from cheap, synthetic materials that will wear out quickly and look cheap. Of course, price is always a consideration when clothes shopping. Set a budget for yourself and stick to it. Don't be tempted to overspend on clothes that you don't need or won't wear often. Look for sales and discounts and consider buying clothes out of season to save money. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're not sure what to buy or what will look good on you, ask a sales associate for their opinion. They can offer valuable advice and help you find the perfect clothes for your style and budget. With these tips and tricks, you can become a pro at clothes shopping and find the perfect clothes for your wardrobe. Happy shopping!